Hi, I'm Crystal Kanina. Today we are going to take a little peek into the investment side of my world. Today we are in a property in Indialantic, Florida. This house is about 3,000 square feet. We are completely redoing the house from top to bottom, basically. So it looks nothing like it did a couple of months back, and I'm really proud of this project. I think it's turning out amazing. Right now we are in the kitchen. This is going to be a fantastic kitchen. It took some time to design it for sure. The space was completely different and we had to do a lot of measuring. There's a staircase over here, so we couldn't make the island too big. All these different things went into the equation of design. This property required a ton of demolition. It was very closed, it was very dark, and I wanted to remove all of that. I wanted it to be light and bright and open, more modern and contemporary. We had to do a big part of demolition right in this area here. This used to be a dining room. Instead, we enclosed it. It's now a 5th bedroom or home office here. In this area over here, there was a doorway and a wall and a wet bar area that kind of blocked your way to get into the kitchen. There was no flow. I had to open it up to make sure that it was an easy walkway all the way around. We also had to take into consideration this staircase we have here as well and make sure it all worked together. Now we have this great floor plan that's open. We're gonna have a big kitchen island that faces out towards the family room. Before, the island was facing basically to a wall. Who wants to cook facing a wall? I don't. So everything's been redone over here and it's completely different. I wanted to highlight some of the features of the kitchen. I think that a chef would appreciate, a family would appreciate, all different types of reasons why this kitchen is special. So let's take a look. Right here, we have our double pull-out garbages, soft close drawers. This is the sink area. You'll be washing your dishes and then you can go right here and grab your soap and any kind of cleaning supplies you need. Super handy. The reason I put a spice rack right here next to the sink is because I know for a fact that when I'm cleaning, I hate having to go dig down under in the cabinet to try to find the soap and all the sponges and everything like that. So this spice rack right here is going to house your soap and any other kind of cleaning supplies you might need. Easy access, you're not bending down having to dig through the cabinet and find them. We have the Lazy Susan in the corner. Some really unique, pretty floating shelves. What's kind of trending right now is the white oak finish. So I blended white cabinetry with that white oak cabinetry as well. So it's white and white oak. This is a pretty neat feature. It's an appliance garage. So if you want to put your blender or other small appliances in here, there you go. There'll be a handle down here on the bottom when we're done, so you just easily lift it right up. So this is the island. The island is equipped with a 36-inch gas cooktop, a built-in wall oven here, another spice rack here for all of your oils and spices and things like that, easy access for cooking. My favorite feature of this kitchen is the fact that it has 2 dishwashers. When it comes to renovating a kitchen, you really need to consider who is going to be living in this space. What are they going to be doing here? So function and form are super important. This house has 5 bedrooms. I'm assuming it's going to be a bigger family that buys the home. Maybe they want to entertain, have friends over. And what happens when you do that? Everybody eats and drinks and has dirty dishes. So in my planning process, I took that into consideration. This house has 2 dishwashers for that reason. So when you're having guests over, there's not clutter everywhere. In your sinks, you can put everything in the one dishwasher, and if it gets full, get it going, and you still have more space to put all of the other dirty dishes. Clean house, lots of fun. Makes sense, right? Over here, we did some shelving. So these are gonna be a more modern style pantry. So instead of doing a built-in pantry like in a wall or something like that, we bought these pantry systems here. So you can put all of your dry goods and everything in, easy access, pull-out drawers, and plenty of space for all of your dry goods. Over here, we have our wet bar. Here's going to be a sink. Then there will be an ice maker, a wine refrigerator, and a beverage station. So your refrigerator will not be cluttered up with all sorts of beverages. You can keep all of them right here separate. A nice little countertop to make cocktails, and this cabinet too to store all of your stemware and things like that. The kitchen is the heart of the home. You have to put so much attention to detail in the form, the finish, and the functionality. I'm really proud of this kitchen. I think it's turning out gorgeous. I cannot wait till we get our beautiful quartz countertops in. That will be in the next few weeks. So follow me. I'll show more project features in the future and you'll learn a little bit, I hope.